Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can save possibly thousands of dollars and easily winterize your outdoor faucets. So let's go ahead and dive in. So guys, with it starting to get cooler, you want to make sure that you safely winterize your outdoor faucets and any of your outdoor pipes as well. One of the easiest ways you can do that is just with a faucet cover, and I'll show you guys how we're going to put this on here in just a second. The reason you want to do this, you want to make sure that you get all of the water out of your faucet. So make sure all the water's out of here, because if not, water will get in here and it'll freeze when it gets really cold, and then it actually will mess your faucet up. Also, water could get back in your pipes right here. They could freeze, they could burst, and they could mess up other things in your house. So it could cost you thousands of dollars. But all you have to do is get one of these super cheap faucet covers that will actually hold the heat in and protect this from freezing. And I'll show you guys how we're going to put that on as well. So guys, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is put this loop around something on your faucet. I'm actually going to loop it around this part right here on mine. Pretty easy, and it just stays on there, gets a little bit of pressure, and then you just push it up against this wall. Make sure this is tight on there, and then you just tighten it up by just securing it on the wall. And this will keep your faucets from freezing and also help your pipes as well. So guys, another thing, if you're in a really cold area and you want to just be super safe, you can go ahead and turn the water off to these outside spigots. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Let the water run out of these and then put this on there, and that way there should be no water in the spigot or in the pipe at all, and that should be super safe. Well, hey guys, here's my main water line, and then this is the one that actually goes outside to a lot of my spigots. If you're wanting to be extra careful, you can just go ahead and take this and turn it completely off. And then again, like I mentioned, run all the water out of here. That way you'll have no water left in your outdoor pipes, so they would not have a chance to burst. So guys, lastly, one extra little step that you might do is, as you can tell, this right here is leaking a little bit. There is some water trapped in your water hoses. You can move those right inside your garage if you'd like to. If you don't have space, I've even seen people blow compressed air through those, and that kind of works to get all the water out of those, because you don't want those to bust as well when they get really cold. So when you use them in the spring, they should be fine. But that, again, is just an extra precautionary thing as well. I know, getting it done. Yeah. So guys, I think this is something that every homeowner should do. It's super easy, and it could save you thousands of dollars, and it only costs you a few dollars and about a minute to put each one of those on. Do those on all your outdoor spigots, and that should save you a lot of money and a lot of worry. But if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, or let me know of any comments. You can also check out one of these other videos right here on other home maintenance ideas. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.